In orthopedic surgery, precision isn't just a requirement, it's a lifeline. When millimeters define outcomes, surgeons need tools that deliver absolute control, procedure after procedure. Introducing the ND-1501 carbon brush bone drill from Chenanhui, a fusion of surgical-grade engineering and uncompromising reliability. With 0-1,200 RPM adjustable speed and a lightweight 1.28 kilograms design, it redefines maneuverability in the OR. What sets it apart? The integrated carbon brush chuck. Unlike brushless motors, this patented system ensures stable power delivery at high speeds, reduces sparking, and triples tool lifespan, all while requiring minimal maintenance. Every contour is crafted for the surgeon's hand. The anti-slip grip and balanced weight distribution reduce fatigue during extended procedures, because when your focus is on saving bones, the last thing you should notice is your tool. Trusted in over 10,000 procedures worldwide, from trauma emergencies to complex reconstructions, the ND-1501 isn't just a drill, it's a predictable partner in high-stakes moments. For hospitals, it's a long-term investment. Fewer replacements, lower downtime, and consistent performance that slashes costs without compromising safety. Demand more from your tools. Chenanhui, where precision never wavers.